Hello friends, listen ma, hope all is well. So in this video I will teach how we can make the Spring support on any pipeline. So for that first you have to go to the tasks, select hangers and support. As you select hangers and support, you have to choose support component or support. Then here the first option, place support by structure, you have to click on that. Then you have to click the piping feature on which you have to model support. So this is my piping feature. Here you can also read, select one or more feature to support. So I selected this feature of pipe. Then you have to give the system. Automatically this will take the system, or manually you can give by here click on the more. I already selected, so I keep the 400p. This is my the pipeline number is 400p. After that you have to click on the accept button. Right icon is there. Click on that. Okay, after that you can read, we have to choose the structure member on which support will hang. So we are modeling the spring support, so that's why we click here our member. This is our member on to which spring will be hang. Okay, so I click on this member. As you see, after clicking, yellow highlight you visible here. So, and after clicking on that structure member or beam, you have to choose the type of the support. Okay, we have to go to types. Here you have to maximize this option. So here are the different option of the support. So in this way I will guiding how we can give the spring rod or spring support. You can extend here also. So any method you can choose. So I choose this last option. Then we have to wait. Here the different sizes occur. We can extend that. Any you can choose. I randomly choose first part number. You can choose anyone. Okay, so click on that. OK, some load, we have to wait. Here you can see green highlighted support model successfully. We have to click again on the right icon and click on the finish. So as you see, support will model successfully. You can also watch by helicopter view. As you see, perfect size of that support get hang on this structure. So in this way you can model the spring support easily on any pipeline. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe for more such upcoming smart plan 3D lectures. Thank you guys.